kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yours Mohit.
Alphabets A to Z.
Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for caterpillar. D is for donkey. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for ibis. J is for jaguar. K is for kiwi bird. L is for lobster. M is for moose. N is for nightingale. O is for octopus. P is for panther. Q is for quokka. R is for rhinoceros. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for xanthus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. Great job, kids! You learned alphabets from A to Z. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.